This is the blueprint to making $10,000 a month on Upwork as a beginner in 2025. I'm going to walk you through the exact 6 steps to get there. Whether you are new to freelancing or have been on Upwork for a while, this guide will help you finally break through the $10,000 barrier. Most freelancers fail not because they aren't working hard enough, but because they are working on the wrong thing. Let's fix that. Step 1 is knowing what not to do. A lot of freelancers chase every opportunity thinking volume equals success. They take on low-paying gigs, get stuck with $20 projects, and wonder why they can't reach their $10,000 a month. Here's the problem. You can't hit $10,000 a month by stacking low-value jobs. You burn out long before making that significant income. The key is learning to say no to the wrong clients and focusing on those with high budgets. Avoid bidding wars for low-paying gigs. Don't waste time writing proposals for jobs that pay $50 to $100. You can't reach your goal there. Now let's talk about step 2, positioning yourself as a specialist. A big mistake most beginners make is trying to do everything. They offer website design, copywriting, social media management, basically anything they can think they can get hired for. But this approach will not help you stand out. Instead, niche down. Focus on one high-value skill that clients will pay for premium. For example, instead of being a generic content writer, become a B2B copywriting specialist for SaaS companies. Why? Because specialists charge more. When clients see you as a go-to expert for their specific problem, they will pay you premium rates. Step 3 is crafting a winning profile on Upwork. Your profile is your first impression, so it has to be perfect. Here's how to structure it. Headline: make it specific and client-focused. Instead of saying freelance writer, say I helped SaaS companies increase revenue by B2B copywriting. Overview: focus on results and how you solve the client's problems. Remember, clients care about what you can do for them and not your resume. Portfolio and testimonials. If you're just starting, highlight personal projects or mock work that showcase your expertise. And always ask for reviews once you completed a job. Step 4 is all about proposal mastery. Generic proposals don't work. Copy-pasting the same template for every job is fast-track to being ignored. Here's the formula that works. Number 1, personalization. Use the client's name and reference the project directly. Show that you have taken the time to read their post. Number 2, pain point and solution. Address the client's specific problem and offer a quick solution to show you that you understand their needs. Number 3, social proof. Mention relevant experience or results. And if you don't have much experience yet, emphasize your skills or approach. Number 4, call to action. End with a clear call to action. Ask them to jump on a call or provide more details about the project. Quality proposals beat quantity every time. Step 5 is targeting high-value clients. If you're aiming for $10,000 a month, you'll need clients who have bigger budgets. Use Upwork filters to search for the clients spending $500 or more on a project. These clients typically have larger projects and will pay a premium for specialized services. Focus on landing clients that offer you recurring work, like businesses that need monthly content or ongoing marketing support. Recurring clients mean consistent income. Step 6, consistency is the key. Freelancing is a game of momentum. The freelancers making $10,000 a month aren't just lucky, they're consistent. They have consistently sent proposals, deliver great work, and build long-term relationships with their clients. Here's how to stay consistent. Number 1, set daily goals. Whether it's spending 5 high-quality proposals or doing an hour of outreach, move forward every day. Deliver exceptional work. Exceed your client's expectations with every project. This leads to repeat business and referrals. Number 3, ask testimonials. Positive reviews build your reputation. Always ask for them after completing a job. If you follow these 6 steps, you'll be well on your way to $10,000 a month on Upwork 2025. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And if you want to speed up your success, grab my free proposal guide. It will help you write killer proposals and get clients to hire you. Click the link below and grab the guide and start landing on high-ticket clients today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss my tips on how to succeed on Upwork in 2025.